Hi friends, good morning. Please look at the next problem in time and distance. Friends, problem is given in the description box. See friends, a man traveled 140 kilometers in 8 hours, partly by cycle at 10 kmph and partly by train at 50 kmph. Friends, now our question is what is the distance traveled by cycle? Friends, say he traveled x hours. He traveled x hours by cycle and the remaining 8 minus x hours. Total time 8 hours. So the remaining 8 minus x hours traveled by train. Friends, now the distance traveled by cycle 10 into x, 10x. This is the distance traveled by cycle. 50 into 8 minus x, 400 minus 50x. This is the distance traveled by train. This plus this is equal to total distance 140 kilometers. First 10x minus 50x minus 40x. So 40x is equal to 400 minus 140. That is equal to 260. Friends, 40x is equal to 260. Friends, we want the distance traveled by cycle. Distance traveled by the cycle is 10x. 40x is equal to 260. 10x is equal to 260 by 4. 4 6s 24, 4 5 20. 65 kilometers is our answer, friends. Thank you.